quick video here. This is a 2013 Chevy Sonic. I just replaced these heater core hoses and I was thinking, well, maybe somebody doesn't know how to undo these quick coupler fittings, so I'm going to show you. Sorry about the camera shaking, but I'm in an awkward position here trying to get this. And how's that? See this thing right here? See how I'm pulling up on it? That's all you do. Pull up on it, whoops, and it'll snap up. And it'll stay in that up position, okay? Oh, it's not all the way up. There we go, now it's all the way up. Then you just pull them off. Then to put them on, you snap that back down in place and push them on. And the rest of it's self-explanatory because down where they connect to the engine, they have these spring clamps that you just undo with a pair of pliers or something. Bottom hose has the same. Ooh, nice and blurry. Yeah, come on, focus. Focus, you fuck. Bottom hose has the same thing. Same deal. We'll do it one more time, just for good measure. Right? Ready? You watching? Pay attention. Up, all the way up, comes right off. You want to put it on, push that back down, and it's on. Right? You can see it. Down, 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 bang. Right there. That spring clamp right there. Those two spring clamps. Those are your two heater hoses. Very simple. Just undo the spring clamp. I'm not going to show you how to do it, because if you don't know how to undo a spring clamp, don't even attempt this job. Take it to your mechanics. Keep track of your hose orientation, because this top hose actually goes to the bottom portion of the outlet. Or in, I don't remember which one's which. It actually says on the hose, but the top here, I lost it, where are we at? Goes to the bottom there, and vice versa. The bottom here goes to the top there. All right, see ya.